Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a collab today, a Mask Monday collab with Kim from Hanging Out with Kim and T from Tea Time Adventures. And this mask was sent to us by Kim. So let me get this started and then I'll tell you about the mask. And Camille is right here. So let me see, this is the sloth mask. I've done many creme shop masks, but not this one. I don't think so. I don't think so. So let's see what this is about. We're gonna do a little giveaway. Oh, it smells good. It doesn't really have much of a smell, of a scent, but it is not, it's pleasant, let's put it that way. You know, sometimes, you know, things can, just smell medicinal or something, and this does not. So it is adorable. Let's see if I can figure out which way it goes. It's tangled up pretty good. Okay. It's nice and hydrating, that's for sure. Okay, look how cute that is. I'm now a sloth, which I feel like a sloth, so that's okay. I'm just, y'all, it takes a while to get better once you're not well. So, and here, I think I'm hearing it several parts of the country, but here COVID is back, which I think they said it would happen, you know, and maybe it never went away, but I haven't heard of people I know getting it until recently, but several people. And not just, several people here around my area, and then also a few people up north. So, okay. Hey, Smudge, you want to come up? Well, come on. He gave up. Oh, that's Blue. I'm sorry, Blue. Couldn't see him with my mask. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the ladies and a little bit about the mask. Let's do the mask first. It's the Creme Shop brand, and these come in a 3-pack. And Kim, I'm sure, got this at TJ Maxx. And I also got a pack of 3 cat masks from the Creme Shop that I sent one to Kim and one to T. And we'll do that probably next month as a Mask Monday collab. This one is, you know, it's an animated mask. It's super cute. You see the sloth, and it just is, it's, you know, yeah, when you're doing a mask, be a sloth. Just do nothing and take care of yourself and rest. Hey, Blue, come on, love. So this says, infused with renewing rose. That might be what I'm smelling, but it isn't offensive of rose. I like rose, but I'm not smelling strong rose at all. So it says how to use, you know, of course, always have a clean face, and it says 10 to 15 minutes for this one. And then when you're done, you just take it off. You don't have to rinse. It says, fun fact, sloths swim faster than they move on land. You know, I've seen some videos, you know, on TikTok, you see a lot of videos, and Instagram also, of a sloth that was trying to cross the road, and he was very slow. I don't know if it was sickly. It appeared sickly to me, but it may just be the way sloths are, and maybe that's why they're called sloths. I don't really know much about them. Of course, aren't they from Australia? Is that where sloths are, in Australia? I'm thinking. I could be wrong. Camille is being a sloth right here. And this is one of my favorite t-shirts from CatLady Box. It says feral and fabulous, and she's got a crown on, and that's what this girl is right here. Feral and fabulous. Okay, so she's on my notes. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my dear friends that I'm collabing with today. Hanging Out with Kim. I've known Kim since before I started my channel. And she's a dear friend. And I talk with her pretty much every day. And I'm in a little group with her and Jean Louise and Patty's Place. And I'll put, anybody I mention with a channel, I'll put below. And I've just known Kim a very long time. And she is, you know, we're great friends, and I love her. And there's a bunch of us in this community that have channels that we know each other, or we know behind the scenes we get to know each other pretty well, and some also with some subscribers as well. If y'all, you know, I like to talk to y'all, so that's great. So I love talking to Kim and Patty and Jean pretty much on the daily. And Tea Time Adventures. It's T period, E period, A period, Time Adventures, and those are initials for her name, Teresa. And you can call her T, and she also has a nickname of Mouse. And I think her brothers gave her that nickname, I think. But she's a lovely lady, and I've known her for a very long time also. She started her channel after Kim, after me, but I've known her a lot longer on Instagram because from almost the beginning of my channel, she's been keeping tabs with me, watching me and keeping tabs with me on Instagram, and she would do Mask Monday on Instagram. So she's been doing Mask Monday a long time, even though her channel isn't as old as long as she's been doing the Mask Monday. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, we are doing a sheet mask giveaway. So I have a few sheet masks for you, but I did want to tell you just two things, quick things. I showed this, I got this beautiful bracelet, Fab Fit Fun. It's got the emerald. I think it was $65, y'all. It might have been $45. I really don't remember. But on my Fab Fit Fun, I put it on my wrist, and it was like you drew it on my wrist. It was not flexible at all. And then several people told me, oh yeah, it's flexible, Mary. Do this, do that. Okay. So on their website, they have it and they go boop, boop, boop. They wrench it back and forth, which I'm not going to do. It looked like it was, made that way to do that. But I mean, if I put any little force on it, it's not doing it. So I'm afraid if I do that, I'm going to weaken the metal here. So on my Friday Night Gab, I was showing you all that because several people said, well, try this, try that. So what I did was I pulled up some on the actual stones here to open it a little bit. And it does go on. And you can see it's a little loose now. It's not painted on me anymore. And I wore it to church on Sunday. I wore it for several hours and it didn't bother me at all. So I feel like it fits me and I'm happy with it. Usually a bangle will move around a little bit, but it's okay. I thought this is going to irritate me. It did not. I love it. I love emeralds. Emeralds are probably my favorite stone. So I just really like that. So I just want to tell you about that I'm liking it. I'm using it and I'm liking it. Also, several of you had asked me to please let you know from my Temu haul. I don't remember which Temu haul it was. I bought these corner shelves that go into your shower and they stick. They were around $10-ish. When I went to look them up recently, they were way less than like $6 something, but that might have been for one. My actual link that I bought from was only down to one color, black, and they had it in black and white is what I saw. And then when I went looking after I filmed to get a link to put into my video, they have it in maybe like a brass color and a couple different things. So in pink, I saw it in pink also. So look, if it's something you're interested in, I was able to do it. Listen, I can't do anything around the house. I mean, seriously, I can't fix a doorknob. I just am not good with stuff like that. And I was able to put it up. They had a little video on one of the, I thought it was on the link that I bought from, but I couldn't find that video. It just showed a woman showing you how to do it. There was these plastic pieces that was a sticker. It had 2 little clips, and I thought the clips were going to come off. But no, this whole thing, you peeled off the sticker and stuck it to the wall. You have to, I didn't measure with a ruler, I just eyeballed it. And then 2 clips on one side and 2 clips on the other side, and it fits in. I'll put that video below. It's a short, so I can't share it on my community tab. You can't share your shorts on community tabs. So I'll put it below if you want to see it, because several of you asked me, please let me know how these work. I was told when I first got it in my video, a couple of y'all said you got it and loved it. So I put it off because I put everything off, and I was like, this weekend I was like, I'm doing it. And I'm so happy with it. So happy with it. It holds my heavy shampoo bottles and everything. So that is what I had to tell you. And then I have a 4-sheet mask giveaway. And this will run until next Sunday. We'll say noon Central Time. I'm sure I'll be a little bit late, but if you get in between now and then, you have to be subscribed publicly to Kim, which is Hanging Out with Kim. And you have to be publicly subscribed to Tea Time Adventures and publicly subscribed to me to qualify for this giveaway. And if you'd like to be a part of this giveaway, it's not a secret. So just say you want, you're interested in the masks or something, let me know you're interested in winning the masks. So I have The Planist face mask. This is in Radiant Facial Mask. There's a fox. Cute, cute. It says down here vitamin C. Those I got that from Fab Fit Fun. All right, 3 of these I got from Fab Fit Fun. This one is Looks and MEI, MEI, MEII maybe even. It's silly, and I don't know. It says here Looks and Mel, but over here those two, they're not L's, they're I's. So it's interesting. It's a fun mask. It is hello mama, comma, more and aspirin. It's just silly stuff like graffiti. And it's a brightening lift up perfect fit mask. Got that from Fab Fit Fun also. This is one of my favorite from Fab Fit Fun. It's the SF, which is, I always forget what the brand name is. It is Skin Forum. And I did this a week or 2 or 3 ago on my Mask Monday. It's really pretty on you. It's printed like that. And it's a gold foil face mask. And I really like it. It says fake 8 hours of sleep in 20 minutes is what it says. It's very moisturizing. You know, sheet masks are just moisturizing. And then this one's from Face Story. I really enjoy Face Story masks. And this one is Dream Garden Lotus. And it's balancing and firming. Okay, very pretty mask. And so that is my sheet mask giveaway. And like I said, if you're interested, just say enter me, or, you know, I'm interested in the mask. Whatever you want to say is fine. And that's it. So go see Tea Time Adventures. Go see Hanging Out with Kim. Next Sunday, I did not look at will that be September? No, it'll still be August. It'll still be August. Today is the 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27. August 27, right? Whatever Sunday is, I'll end at noon Central Time, approximately. I'll be a little late because I'll be at church, so it'll be more like 1 or 2 o'clock. And then I'll pick a winner for these sheet masks. And just the usual rules apply, all below. Bought this with my own money. If you have any allergic reaction to these masks, I'm not responsible. Once I put it in the mail, I'm not responsible if it gets lost or stolen. Never has happened to me. So hopefully it won't happen, okay? And I think that's really it. And thank you so much, Kim, for this really adorable mask. It's super cute, y'all. And it is, I'm a little shy of 15 minutes, so I'm going to keep it on a few more minutes. So I'm going to say goodbye, y'all. I know you got plenty to do today. Go see Kim, go see T, and enter our giveaways. And y'all, count your blessings. Have a great Monday and have a really blessed week. Bye-bye, y'all.